Suede, Wade's Unboxing. I have a little product here today to go over. It is a, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Seibertron maybe? Seibertron? What do they call it? Motorbike, ATV, MX, road bike, multi-purpose gloves, basically, is what I'm going to call them at this point. Okay, so here's a better overview. Cycling gloves, motorcycle gloves, tactical gloves, and golf gloves. So they pretty much cover the whole gambit. I think they sent the wrong size. The whole gambit of gloves. As you can see, they have the little Velcro wrist strap. They have hard rubber up here, a little bit of protection on the back of your hand, the name of the company, and on the fingers, each finger has a little bit of hard rubber. Not much protection. On the inside they have the, I'll say rubberized two main fingers. I think it's middle finger and index. And they have little bit of additional padding around the thumb, and the palm has a little bit of padding on it. See if we open it up, try to put it on here. Feels good, even with the small size. Doesn't feel too constrained. You know, for what they are, they're not terrible. The quality, I don't see any frayed stitching or anything at this point on this one. Let me see if I can get it off from the other one. Again, really no frays of the craftsmanship, which is a good sign. See what else we have. Washable, wash and care, machine wash cold, powder detergent, not bleach or line dry. Warranty, whatever, really don't care about the warranty. I picked them up so I could use them for some off-road riding on the motorbike. You know, it's not the best gloves. The price was at the right point. On Amazon it was about, you know, 20 bucks or so, compared to pure motorcycle gloves, which would probably run about the $80 range. Yes, they would provide more protection, but when I plan on doing mostly off-road riding, I think these will suffice at the moment. And as I get more onto the on-road, I will probably have to be looking at buying a better quality gloves. Again, this is the Seibertron. I'm just going to call them multi-purpose gloves for cycling, motorcycling, tactical gloves, and golf gloves. And they come in 3 colors. I picked the black. There was a red. It was out of stock, and there is a white also. The white looks really nice, but I think it would get really dirty really quickly driving the motorcycle. Again, so it's Wade from Wade's Unboxings. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell button to be notified of the next video upload. Thank you for watching. Till next time, goodbye.